Looking for the perfect holiday eye makeup look? Well, you've come to the right place. As we bid farewell to autumn and welcome the holiday season, it's time to embrace the festive spirit. And what better way to do that than with a stunning holiday eye makeup look? Eye makeup, as we all know, is a crucial part of our overall appearance. It can completely transform our look, making us feel more confident and festive. Now, imagine pairing that with the joy and excitement of the holiday season. Sounds magical, doesn't it? The holiday eye makeup look we're about to create is versatile and suitable for various events. Whether it's a fancy Christmas dinner, a fun-filled New Year's Eve party, or a cozy gathering with loved ones, this look will ensure you shine brighter than any holiday light. Stay tuned as we delve into the process of creating a stunning holiday eye makeup look. First, we need to prepare our eyes for the makeup. This initial step is a crucial part of the process. It's the bedrock upon which your stunning holiday eye makeup will be built. Let's start with a clean canvas. Cleanse the area around your eyes gently, but thoroughly. This removes any oil, dirt, or leftover makeup that could interfere with your fresh application. After cleansing, don't forget to apply a good quality moisturizer. A well-hydrated skin helps the makeup adhere better and prevents it from creasing or fading throughout the day. Now let's talk about priming. An eye primer is a real game changer, especially for those long holiday gatherings. It ensures your makeup stays put and vibrant for hours on end. Simply apply a thin layer of your preferred eye primer all over the lid and give it a minute to set. Now that our eyes are prepped and primed, we're ready to start applying our eye makeup. The first step in our makeup application is the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is the canvas on which we'll create our holiday masterpiece. It sets the mood, whether you're going for a frosty winter wonderland or a warm fireside glow. Now let's start with our base color. This is typically a lighter shade that will cover the entire eyelid up to the brow bone. It's like laying down a blanket of fresh, untouched snow. You can use a brush or your fingertip to apply, but remember, we're going for a soft, even layer. Think of it as painting a sunrise on a crisp winter morning. Next, we invite a darker color to the party. This will go in your crease to add some depth and dimension. It's like the shadows cast by a cozy fire or the silhouettes of bare trees against the evening sky. Using a crease brush, apply this darker shade in a windshield wiper motion across your crease. Now, you may notice a stark contrast between your base and crease color. But worry not, that's where our friend blending comes into play. Blending is like mixing hot cocoa and marshmallows. It's all about creating a seamless transition between the two. Take a clean, fluffy brush and gently blend the crease color into the base. This should soften any harsh lines and create a smooth transition, much like the gradual change from sunset to twilight. Remember, blending is key to a professional-looking eyeshadow application. And there you have it, a beautifully blended eyeshadow that's perfect for any holiday occasion. It's like a winter landscape, complete with the soft glow of dawn and the deep shadows of dusk. With our eyeshadow applied and blended, we're ready to move on to the next step. So gather your eyeliner and mascara, it's time to add some drama to this holiday story we're telling on our eyelids. Now that our eyeshadow is in place, it's time for eyeliner and mascara. Eyeliner can be a game changer, taking your holiday look from nice to knockout. The secret lies in the application. For a crisp line, start at the inner corner of your eye and glide the liner towards the outer edge. Be patient, take your time, and remember that practice makes perfect. If you're going for a more dramatic look, consider a winged eyeliner. Extend the line from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your brow, but don't go too far. A small flick can make a big difference. Now, if you're using a pencil liner, make sure it's sharp for precise application. If it's a gel or liquid liner, ensure that your brush is clean and well-shaped. No matter the type, remember to always apply your eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible to create a seamless look. Let's move on to mascara, the magic wand of makeup. Mascara can transform your eyes, making them look bigger and more open. To achieve voluminous lashes, start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the mascara wand back and forth as you sweep upwards. This technique helps to coat every lash and gives a fuller effect. For the lower lashes, use the tip of the wand and gently apply the mascara, being careful not to smudge. If you're looking to add extra drama, consider applying a second or even third coat. Just make sure each coat dries before applying the next to avoid clumping. And remember, when choosing your mascara, consider the formula. Waterproof mascara is great for those emotional holiday moments, while a lengthening formula can add that extra wow factor to your look. With our eyeliner and mascara applied, our eyes are really starting to pop. We're almost done. Now for the finishing touches. As we move into the final stages of our holiday eye makeup look, it's time to introduce one of the secret weapons of any makeup aficionado, the highlighter. This little gem is going to give your eyes that extra sparkle, making them look brighter and more awake, perfect for those holiday gatherings where you want your eyes to truly shine. Highlighter is typically applied in two specific areas around the eyes, the inner corners and just under the brow bone. Let's start with the inner corners. This little nook can often look dark and shadowy, but a dab of highlighter can transform it instantly. It catches the light, adds a bit of twinkle, and makes your eyes appear larger and more open. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. Now, let's move to the area under the brow bone. This is a spot often overlooked, but it's another place where highlighter can work its magic. By applying a touch of highlighter here, you're essentially creating a lift to your brow, giving your entire eye area a more alert and youthful appearance. It's a subtle effect, but it adds a certain je ne sais quoi to your overall look. The key to highlighter is not to overdo it. Just a touch in these strategic spots can make a world of difference. It's all about creating a balance, enhancing your natural features, not overwhelming them. And there you have it. With the addition of a little highlighter in these key areas, we've added that final sparkle to our holiday eye makeup. It's these small details that can elevate your look from everyday to extraordinary. So, whether you're heading to a festive family gathering or a chic holiday party, your eyes will be ready to dazzle and shine. Remember, makeup is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. And nothing feels better than knowing your eyes are looking their absolute best. With these final touches, our holiday eye makeup look is complete. And there you have it, a stunning holiday eye makeup look. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've just embarked on together. We began with the vital step of preparing our eyes, ensuring a clean canvas for our holiday masterpiece. We talked about the importance of using a good eye primer to help the makeup adhere better and last longer, and how a concealer can work wonders to hide any imperfections and even out the skin tone. Then we moved on to the exciting part, the eyeshadow application. We discovered the art of blending different shades to create a beautiful gradient on our eyelids. We learned the technique of starting with a light base color, followed by a darker crease color, and finally, a pop of shimmer on the center of the lid to really make the eyes stand out. From there, we ventured into the world of eyeliners and mascaras. We learned how to master the winged eyeliner, a classic look that adds drama and intensity to the eyes. We also discussed the importance of a good mascara to lengthen and volumize the lashes, framing our beautifully painted eyelids. Finally, we added the finishing touches. We saw how the right brow product can define our eyebrows, adding structure to our face. And we discovered the transformative power of false lashes, taking our holiday look to the next level. But what we've created is more than just a holiday eye makeup look. It's a versatile style that can be adapted to suit any event, from a festive family gathering to a glitzy New Year's Eve party. The key is to experiment with different colors and techniques until you find what works best for you. So, whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, we hope this tutorial has inspired you to try something new this holiday season. Because in the end, makeup is about expressing yourself and having fun. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel confident in creating your own holiday eye makeup look. Remember, practice makes perfect.